Hello everyone and a very warm welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll guide you step by step through the process of creating a two-dimensional contour plot in MATLAB. This is a very simple yet powerful way to visualize three-dimensional surface data on a two-dimensional plane using contour lines. So whether you are an engineering student, a researcher, or just getting started with the MATLAB plotting tool, this tutorial is perfect for you. In this tutorial, I will help you to build a strong foundation in visualizing data and functions in two dimensions. I will not only show you how to write the code, but I will also explain that what the contour plot represents, how to customize it, and how to interpret the graph to gain real insight. So let's get started. So we need to open an editor window in front of us by clicking on a new script. So this is an editor window pop-up. So we need to write a code starting with CLC, clear all and close all. After that, we need to define the X and Y ranges. So I am using a linspace command here. X is equals to linspace. And I'm choosing my lowest value -3 and the max value to 3. Same range I am choosing for Y values. So linspace, lowest value -3 and maximum value is 3. After that, we need to create a mesh grid for X and Y. So we need to choose a square bracket. Inside of the square bracket, we have X comma Y, the values of X and Y ranges basically. So that is equals to mesh grid, and inside we have X comma Y. After that, we need to define the Z values using a mathematical function. So I am choosing Z is equals to 1.8 dot head, and inside we have minus 1.5 into square root, and inside of the square root we have x square plus y dot head square. Outside we have static cos 0.5 static y, and we have dot static sine of x. After that, we want to generate 2D contour plot with 20 contour levels. So for that, I'm using a contour word, and inside we have x comma y comma z, and after that we need to define the level of contours, so you can adjust according to your choice. So here I am choosing a 20 contours level. After that, I am just customizing my plot. So for that, I am using an X label that should be set it to X-axis, Y label to Y-axis, Z label to Z-axis. After that, we need to define a title. So I am writing a title that dimensional contour plot. After that, we need to define the color bar. that will add color scale to interpret values. Okay, let's run it. We need to fix the error. So here we have spelling of color should be without U. So we need to run it again. This plot shows a contour lines and each representing a constant z value across x and y plane. So it's like a topographic map where each curve make a specific height level. So this function used to generate a damped waves similar to how sound or heat might dissipate over time. So these close contour lines basically a rapid change in the values, or we simply call it a steep slope. And the wider spacing represent the gentle slope or flat region. And this color bar helps us to interpret the z values associated with each contour level. So this visualization is extremely useful in physics and engineering and any field where you need to understand the surface behaviors. And that's it. So if you enjoyed the video and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and share it with others who are learning MATLAB. So have any questions, so drop it in the comment below. So thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you soon in the next video. Stay blessed.